News that we're getting is that we could see some pressure coming in on steel prices as the steel producers get ready to fix prices for the next quarter. Some more correction is expected. We have Nisha Podar as well as Diana Monteiro to really break that down for us. Nisha, you go first. In terms of pricing, how much of a correction is expected?
Right, Shivani, this will be the second correction this financial year, and we are hearing that all the steel companies are gearing up to cut flat steel prices or the hot rolled steel prices by 2%, which would come about 500 rupees per ton. Presently, the domestic steel price is hovering around 28,000 rupees a ton. That last month it was a dip after 7 months of improvement in steel prices, and it continues to be under pressure also because the international prices have gone down a little. Though China has seen some recovery, the international steel prices on an average is about at $550 per ton, but cheaper imports had been coming from China, and those consignments are will be coming in this month, and that is one comparative advantage or competitive advantage that steel makers in China have, and that's why the Indian steel makers will have to bring down the prices. The only consolation being that the demand for steel in India have not really gone down. Now, this kind of a realization cut down for steel companies will be affecting all the steel majors like SAIL, Tata Steel, JSW Steel and Ispat for this month. And a little bit of good news coming in for long steel products which is used for construction. The second half will see a little more pickup in the construction activity, and 500 rupees, up to 500 rupees of an uptick could be expected, which would positively impact JSPL and SAIL.